Are coding jobs still safe in 2025? A bunch of people are experiencing a really tough time going through the past couple of years with the layoffs and everyone being scared because of AI might take their jobs. I think there is a future for developers, but the future is extremely different to what we are seeing right now. Your parents told you to go to school, study, get a degree. If you'll find a job and a career, and then you'll stick with that career until you'll be 65, you get a mortgage and you're gonna live this sad, depressing life as we are seeing right now with all these layoffs, with this rise of AI. And with the rise of freelancing, I guess, and all these people that are making money online, getting a job seems a bit like a scam. In my opinion, this idea of learn a skill, get a degree, this whole path that has been instilled into us, I think it's wrong, and I think it doesn't work anymore. And that's why we are seeing so many people feeling depressed and feeling like they've been scammed by the system and whatnot, because we are not being shown another way. So in this video, I want to explore with you what I would do starting from 2025 going forwards, and I've been doing this since 2019. This has been my path, and a lot of people associate having a job with safety. Everyone thought that if they have a job at Google or at Amazon or at Meta or whatever, they will be safe forever. And that has been the case for many, many years for a lot of people. Safety only comes when a business has money to spend on you. And as we are seeing right now, businesses don't want to spend money. A lot of people are now waking up and realizing that safety doesn't come from a job. Safety actually comes from your ability to learn skills and then sell those skills to other people. So you need to learn two things that developers usually hate, and those two skills are sales and marketing. You see me on YouTube because I'm doing something called marketing. So the reason why you see this video is because I have decided many years ago that I want to market a business. If you want to understand and if you want to capitalize on this new world that we are living in, you need to adopt this mindset of I'm gonna be loud, I am gonna put myself out there, and I'm not gonna judge others when they are putting themselves out there. Whenever we judge someone for doing something, is because we are actually judging ourselves for doing it or for wanting to do it. And essentially, a lot of people and a lot of developers are extremely hateful towards people who are marketing online. If you want to start marketing yourself as a developer and have opportunities, you need to stop judging other people for doing it, okay? This idea of jobs, I think, is gonna disappear in the next 5 years, okay? The way we've been thinking about jobs and all this stuff is gonna disappear in the next 5 years. Let's say if I build a product, whatever product I wanna build, how can I sell that? How would I present this product in a way that some people will want to buy? This is a huge topic that we can discuss for hours and hours and hours. A lot of junior developers, the new ones that are coming out on the scene, are retarded. Your main goal, if you chose programming as the opportunity that you want to take, is that you need to be good at it. Year by year, like, this ability to write code is like literally disappearing. Okay, I see so many people coming through my program and whatever. You can apply by clicking on the first link in the description, by the way. And they've been coding for years and years, and they are at the level of someone that just started learning how to code with me after like 3 months. It's absolutely incredible. And these people are everywhere, and they are in the comment section, they are making videos on YouTube, they are making shorts, like they are making reels on Instagram, they are posting TikToks about how bad the job market is and whatnot. They literally can't write code even if their life depends on it. This might be shocking to you. If you want to be able to make money with coding, you need to be able to write code, and this might come even more shocking. You need to be able to build products that people would actually want to use, okay? Products that look good. So you might need to start investing into templates, all right? You might need to buy software so you can study and see how other paid products look like. You literally can spend hours and hours getting worse at coding because you're just consuming content instead of spending hours and hours studying software and trying to reverse engineer how like good software is being built. You can do that for yourself, and you can help other people with your software, and then you can put yourself in a position where you don't even need a job. A lot of people are very unserious, let's say, they are silly, They are not motivated. They just want a quick paycheck. They are doing the bare minimum always. And you know this is the truth, right? You know that you could be doing more, all right? You know these people that are posting online about how bad the job market is. You saw their projects. You saw how shit they are. You saw my portfolio reviews. All right, so the first step is to get good at your shit. And I've made hundreds of videos about it. And if you cannot get good at this shit, at your craft, then you have no chance when it comes to making money, either from a job, which is not easy to get, by the way, by any means whatsoever. It wasn't easy to get back in 2021 or 2020. It wasn't easy. I don't know who put this shit in your head. Like back in the day, it used to like, you just walk through the door and then you get a $250,000 a year salary. It's not like that. So you need to get good at your stuff, and then you learn sales and marketing. And then you can start asking people about their problems. You start asking business owners about their problems when it comes to running their business. And then once you ask 10, 20, 30 people that are from the same niche, let's say you are asking all the dentists in your area, okay, what is your biggest problem? Right? They will be saying something like, oh, a lot of people are booking in, but they are not showing up to the appointments. Or it's very hard to track what are we doing with our patients, and we are losing track of this thing and this thing and this thing. And if you notice that, 30 out of 40 dentists are dealing with the same problem, then you can start building software and then you can sell it to them. You start thinking, okay, how can I get better at my craft? And then how can I find problems? A lot of software developers are very good at solving problems that someone else is giving to them. Okay, this is the reality, right? But if you want to make money and you want to get out of this job matrix, I guess, if you want to put it this way, you need to be able to find problems yourself, not just solve problems that someone else is giving to you. You need to become a hunter. This is very difficult for software developers because if you like being a software developer, you are naturally a problem solver. Something is drawing you towards this. But if you want to survive after 2025, you need to develop this skill of searching and finding problems that you can solve. Then you come in and then you solve this problem and then you make money. All right, I don't have a course that I can sell you on how to develop this, because you need to just be awake and then you need to ask yourself, okay, what problem this business might have? How are they bringing this coffee here? How are they selling me on buying this coffee? How are they marketing this? Why are the chairs purple instead of green? Whatever it might be, you need to start asking yourself questions. You need to start being curious. I hope this video helped you if you want to learn how to code really fast and stop procrastinating so much with silly, shitty online courses. Then click on the first link in the description. This is not for you if you are, living in India or Pakistan. This is not for you if you are living in your mom's basement and if you don't have money to afford investing into a mentorship. This is not for you if you need a job next week. This is not for you, okay? So this is for someone that has the time, has the money, and has the drive to invest into this career. If that's you, click on the first link in the description and apply. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.